I mean, I'd like this to end nicely, right?
No, you don't understand. It's not going to end nicely. There is going to be... I'm going to get my gun therapy. I haven't had it in 5 years.
You're going to get what?
So, I'm going to do some gunpowder therapy.
You're going to get some gunpowder therapy? Well, nobody wants to do that tonight.
I'm here. So what do you guys want to do? And I'm armed. So, if you want to end this now, fine.
So I'd like you to give up nicely. Huh?
No.
Can you do that for me?
Yeah.
What's that?
It is not going to happen. You will be getting a phone call from her anything.
Okay. Can you give up nicely, man?
No, sir.
Please.
No, sir. Hey, there we go. Here's your buddy. Let's get this shit on.
Here's the thing, man. Just come out with. Just come out with your hands up. Come out with your hands up, okay? Come out with your hands up, man. No. We don't want to do that. Get out of the car. I'm with you.
I got it. Hold here. Hold. He just fell behind the car.
Okay.
Hold.
Okay. You good?
Yep, we're good.
Okay. Oh, God! I'm with you.
I got it. Hold here. Hold. He just fell behind the car.
Okay.
Hold.
Okay. You good?
Yep, we're good.
I'm gonna break this for you.
Gun, firearm, and radio.
You got lethal?
I got lethal.